Okay, so let's make the mango salsa. This is for the do-it-yourself taco lunchbox. We're gonna start with the green onion and we're just gonna mince it. I like to take out the tops of the green onion. Sometimes it's kind of wilted. And then I'm just gonna slice. For these, you can also use the food processor, and I would pulse it a few times. You don't want to blend all the way so that you get some type of chunkiness. But today we're just gonna mince everything together and make our salsa. You can use red onion, you can use cilantro if you want, but I'm just gonna keep it with a few ingredients today to make it easy. Then we're gonna do our mango. This is a big mango, so I'm gonna use half. The pit of the mango is right across the center, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut right next to the center to get a nice mango sort of steak. And yeah, we can see the pit right there. And then what I'm gonna do is I am gonna cut without cutting the skin. I'm gonna do little cuts across, and then on the opposite side we're going to cut vertically and then horizontally to make little squares. And then we open the mango like this, and we can just add it to our bowl. You can use a spoon here as well. But I'm showing you how to do it with your hands so that the kids can get involved. When the kids get involved in the process and they are able to use their hands, they get more intrigued about how it tastes. They connect with the food more and with the meal. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna add my tomato. I'm gonna cut across the center. And I'm gonna chop it. Perfect. We add it to our bowl, and we're gonna add some lime, a little bit of salt, and we have our fabulous salsa. And some olive oil. I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use the zest of the lime and the juice of the lime. You can also use lemons as well. You can use also, we're gonna add bell pepper here as well. If your kids like spicy peppers, you can use jalapeño. It goes very well with this. I'm gonna use today a little bit of red pepper. And I'm just gonna mince it. You can use green pepper as well. Green, yellow, orange. Great. And now we have our salsa ready. It smells delicious and refreshing. So with salsas, it's a great way to add fruit and vegetables at the same time. And sometimes kids will appreciate the combinations of flavors. Other times, not so much. But it's a great way to try things out. And as you involve them in the kitchen, they get more familiar with different flavors, and they will more likely to enjoy eating more vegetables. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you make these recipes at home. Remember to make them your own and use them as inspiration to try new things in your kitchen and involve your children in the kitchen with you. Thank you to Urban Health Plan, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.